Hello friend, it's old pals Mr. Sloufaki here. Today I'm going to teach you about fancy new technology called the computers. With computers you can do all many sorts of things like look up recipe for breadsticks and even go on the internet and maybe play some games. So Mr. Sloufaki show you his computer and how to use it. Here is Mr. Sloufakis computer. It's state of the art. Here, let me turn it on. Let me turn it on. Maybe we press this button. Maybe press C for computer. Okay, hold on just a second. Turn out that's not Mr. Sloufakis computer. That old calculator adding machine that I find in the closet. So hang on, let me get out my new computer and I show you how to use it. Here we go. Now Mr. Sloufaki have his new computer ready to go. So first thing we need to do is we need to power it on using the power button, which I think is this one missing. Oh, here we go. The power button. We turn that on and we wait for our computer to wake up. Oh, that's not good. I don't think that's how my screen's supposed to look. I think maybe something. Nope. Maybe something wrong. Hold on. It looked like maybe Mr. Sloufaki computer get beaten by bears when he is leaving his computer outside. So maybe that's not best place to store the computer. So what I do is I learn how to build a new computer so that it be even faster and better and not eaten by bears. So bear with me, haha, Mr. Sloufaki joke, and I will show you all about how computers work. Until I see you again, have a nice time.